Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here, and if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos I upload. And today, as you've already read the caption and the title, I have called my best friend, she's also like my sister, to do makeup on her, but with a twist that with each and every product, like we have given three options, like concealer has three options, lashes also have three options. I have put chits on each one of them, so she doesn't know which comes under which number. And for her also I've given separately three chits, so whatever she picks is the product I'm going to apply on her face, and not all products are good. One of the options is bad, so it's upon her luck how she does it. Without wasting any time, let's just call her. So guys, this is Akriti. Okay, this video is going to be like more of a blooper video than of anything else, because it's hilarious having her around. I met her through a common friend and became like very close to her. So welcome to my channel.
Thank you.
Where are the chits, bro? Bro, where are
You
the
only kept it, तू ही तो रखी.
So I have the chits ready here, and I have folded it and kept it.
Oh, I only have to open.
You
Do all the
open
work.
it.
One.
One. She took one, and in one is Bella Vita's Papi Blem Face Gel Creme. This is one of the, I can't say worst, but it is so tacky, it is so sticky, but under a makeup it's alright, not that bad.
Yeah, thanks.
This is chit number one, this moisturizer for today. My hands are washed and sanitized. Second chit she has to select for primer. So let's see what she selects for primer. Pick up the chits. She has got three. So for the third primer versus the Lakme Glow Perfecting Primer. This is an amazing primer. So she saved. Yay!
This is your favorite primer, right?
Yeah, one of my favorites.
Which is your favorite primer?
Maybelline Master. Prepping the eyes, we need a concealer.
Two.
Okay, so she has got the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This was number 2. This is in the shade Amber. So I guess it's going to be of her skin color. It might be of her skin color. So her eyes are all prepped and done. So the next is eyeshadows, which is, I have an option of 3 very good palettes, but out of which one is very less pigmented. So let's see what she selects.
2.
Okay.
This only I had to get.
She has got the least pigmented palette of all, which is number 2 in this one.
Do I get a second chance?
No. You want a second chance?
Yeah, I don't mind. 3.
This is a heavily pigmented palette, and it is one of the best dupes. It's very close to Huda Beauty regarding the pigmentation, and this is like, I numbered it number 3. So we will let Akriti choose every color because now that she's my guest. So, which color do you want as your base shade? I'm gonna go in with this shade first. I'm using all the brushes that she has, so don't judge me on the basis of what brush I have. I'm using.
मतलब आके मेरी बेइज्जती करो. So, would you rather give up social media or eat the same dinner for the rest of your life? Isn't that your life right now?
I think the second option. I won't give up my social media for anyone, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna ask her the second shade that I'm gonna be putting on a crease. Which one do you want? I'm gonna go in with this shade over here.
Know the date of your death or the cause of your death?
Cause of my death, not the day, because I'm always ready. Okay, if I have to die tomorrow, so I'm ready for it. But I want to really know what is the cause of my death, so I can avoid that thing. But you cannot avoid forever, you see.
Go blind or deaf for the rest of your life.
Deaf, bro. Blind is really bad. So I'm gonna apply that color to her crease and take it all little bit up
Thanks,
also.
Thanks.
For
Eye massage.
this girl is savage, I tell you. What do you do?
Miss Savage, that one. You don't know?
Okay,
You don't see Instagram or what?
yeah, I do. Go in with this shade over here. Would you rather lick the public toilet seat or lick a beggar's feet? What are you thinking so much?
This I don't think beggars.
I never expected you to give that answer, by the way.
You left me with no choice. Look at your mom's search history or your dad's search history.
I think my mom's, because she's heavily addicted to YouTube and all, so I would like to know what does she do most of the time. My dad doesn't use his phone for just he uses mainly for Sudoku and stuff.
Oh, then I should ask your mom or your husband.
Husband.
I'm dead. Sometimes a massage you're giving to my eye or sometimes you're tickling my eye.
You're supposed to feel sleepy, that's what makeup does.
Is that what you think when you do your own makeup?
Yeah. I also doze off in the middle and then shoot back again, no one knows.
I don't know what to say.
You're just going to ignore it.
I just want to open my eyes to see the world.
I'm gonna take a little bit black for oh my god, that black is pigmented. I'm just gonna darken the crease and then just bring
What
it-
was that? 1 minute pause. What was my tone?
crease. No one knows the difficulty in which we are shooting, like her one leg is on top of mine and you have to squeeze between and sit because you have to come in the one frame. Which glitter do you want out of this palette? She wants me to mix these two shades, so I'm gonna do that.
This is a nice one. Always have tangled hair or always have a wet underarms.
Tangled hair.
Why?
My hair is mostly, I don't use a comb, so I'm okay with it.
Because fortunately or unfortunately you have straight hair. You gifted me straight hair, which you just show off.
What is show up in that? I'm jealous.
I'm very jealous I am for what I've done.
What have you done?
As if you don't know.
क्या किया है तुमने?
To animals or speak all human languages?
Talk to animals. You knew the answer, didn't you?
Right before your spouse or after? Say the truth.
Before my spouse, I cannot tolerate death, grief. I can't tolerate it.
You just got married.
So we are not into this if you're watching this video.
He's gonna kill me.
I have an eyeliner option which includes all controversial colors, that is white, blue and black. So it depends on her whether she makes the look or breaks it, okay? Bada maza aa raha hai.
Two. Oh god, I don't know what's two.
Okay, so she has chosen for a white
You also
eyeliner.
want white.
Yeah,
It's very
is
nice.
number 2. And this is Bonjour Paris white eyeliner. This one over here. This is what I am also wearing. I don't know whether it will go with the look that she's actually. I wanted to do something like a smoked out golden look, but we'll have a white eyeliner. We'll be twinning. By the way, you have to choose another time concealer for your face also.
What?
Yeah, for eyes you chose. For your face?
The same.
No. Bukto. All color challenge. Nice, no? It looks gorgeous.
This wasn't my idea at all. You forced me, emotionally blackmail, and you made me sit here.
Lies. जनता जानती है कि मैं कितनी सच्ची और पवित्र हूँ.
Ben, I know the truth.
Big Bang.
What?
Big Bang Theory.
Ben? Oh.
A little bit of cheating. What we did is we used little sparkles from this palette. It's on one of the sparkles from there down.
We actually did not do cheating because this was the first time which came.
Oh yeah. These are the shades and use one of them.
Always be overdressed or always be underdressed.
Overdressed.
No?
Mm-hmm. We'll be doing foundation. Okay, this is a critical part because not a lot of foundations will suit people, and if she's gonna get something that's miserable, the entire look is gonna go down the drain. Choose shit.
2.
Luckily, she has got her own foundation, the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte, and this is in the shade Cool Ivory. Kari was
Sure.
So this is the foundation over here. Okay, now she has to select for concealer.
Didn't I?
No, that's only for primer.
Hey,
No,
what,
no,
yeah.
sorry, not happening.
2.
Okay, she got 2 back again. That is the L'Oreal Infallible
I
one.
am lucky today. My stars, where are my stars here?
It's in sky. This is L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Amber. It's in the sky.
I think
Jisoo?
right now, after this, I'm going to do straight yoga.
Look on top. Not there. Look straight. Look straight. आंखें ऊपर करो.
You said to stay see ऊपर. I saw ऊपर.
आंखें ऊपर करो बस. आंखें ऊपर करो. Look on top. Look. Open your eyes. Comedy video है, makeup video नहीं. Don't laugh.
Sorry. Do I get a gift after this?
Yeah, my chappal.
Which I wore and came?
Yeah. Both. I wore one blue and one red. Both you get. It's free.
No, I'm going to steal one thing which you also know, I think. What I'm going to steal.
So give her.
Yes.
Rolex watch.
Yes.
Pick a loose powder.
2.
Okay, so she has selected Naked 6 Clammy Loose Powder. This is the one over here. Okay, so many people might know that this is in the shade 01. I'm not a great fan of this powder because it has a lot of fallout. हम अभी बोलते बोलते it fell on her pants.
I'm so happy I'm wearing black.
Look at her.
Dude. Tomorrow if I become blind tomorrow, I don't want to look. I just don't want to look. The way you're laughing is if I know.
Oh my god.
I need a gift hamper after this.
It has come up in spots.
Oh shit. Please edit this. It looks bad.
Oh my god, I can't deal with this. Okay, look on top before you become spotty. Okay, whatever is there remaining, I'm just gonna set her entire face with it.
Don't do that. I'm telling you, don't do it. That
You chose. You suffer.
you put the numbers.
Is eyebrow pencil. I have 2 intensely dark eyebrow pencil and one is a cool tone which will suit her. Let's see if she gets a cool tone or the dark ones. She has got the intensely dark one and this is the MN Me Now eyebrow pencil in the shade 02. Next up is blush, okay? So let's see what she chooses.
I don't want shimmer blush, I'm telling you now. If I get,
That's the end of your makeup.
that will be the end of someone else right now. 1.
One, oh, for a change. Finally, she got My Glam's Cape Strawberry Blush, and this
Oh,
is
strawberry?
Yeah. So it is an amazing, very mild pink, and for her skin tone, it looked really, really good. So I'm going to be using that. Yes. I don't know what brushes are these, but whatever it is, I'm just going to use it.
It's called manga.
Sorry, Naked Brand, if you are sponsoring for this.
Oops, sorry. Please send us
हम लोग
big boxes outside our house. We'll be very happy.
क्या brush है? It's going all over the place. Number 1 for what? Mascara.
I don't know why I took one also.
We are so zoned out. It's like 2:30 in the night. So the mascara that she has chosen, the number one is the Lash Sensational by Maybelline, and it's good mascara. So would you rather brush your teeth with clean toilet water from your own toilet or drop your phone in a porta potty?
I'll drop my phone.
In the toilet?
Yeah.
And never revive it back?
Yeah, that's fine. I have backup for everything.
Poop in your pants at work or pee in your pants on a date?
I can pee my pants on a date because I know that I'm not going out for a date.
Forget your password every weekend for the rest of your life or forget your name every time you meet someone for the first time?
I'll forget my name, not passwords. There's some things, I need password and I can't forget that.
Be allergic to the sun or be allergic to the moon?
Sun, I am little, but I think sun because I'm already am. So.
Never understand what your parents are saying or only understand 70% of what is saying.
Both are not happening in life, so don't.
Next is highlighter, my most favorite part.
Our favorite part.
Our favorite part, so yes, select.
It's 2.
She has got the Wet n Wild Blossom Glow highlighter. Number 2. I'm just putting it in her eyebrow area a little bit. And her inner corner. Open your eyes. The last step is lipsticks. So
No? What about the eyelashes for you?
that is the last step.
Oh, lastest. Oxford Dictionary.
Lipstick.
Put her in jail.
This determines everything, because there are, one is a dark shade, one is a nude shade,
yeah.
and one is a bright shade. What is it?
3. Shit!
No. You already got an option. Sorry, not happening. Okay.
Arey yaar.
So she has got My
Dude, this
Glam.
wouldn't come out, yeah.
I'll make it come out. There is this My Glam lit lipstick. This is in the shade Breaking. Oh my god, it is so bright. I can't deal with it.
Neither can I. All because of you, I've got this.
Me?
Yeah.
You selected it. Not my headache. Not my headache. Sorry.
Later you'll be sorry.
So now comes lashes, another dramatic part. One is a very pathetic lash that I've put.
One.
It's got PAC M72 lashes. These are gorgeous lashes. I've used them in these lashes I've used in my engagement. Okay, this was her completed look. The lashes are a bit dramatic for her eyes, but I modified her lipstick because just to make it a little more nice, and this shade is nice. But overall, she looks good. Like legit, she looks good. She looks like she's going for a date night at 3:11.
Anyone, please contact me.
I'll be leaving her Instagram handle in the description box down below, so that if you want to follow her, you can follow her. She was a model, so people, if you're looking for model, had a lot of fun shooting this
Just a normal conversation, normal day of our life.
with so much of laughter. I mean, I
This
wish
is normal.
this is actually normal. 5%
Both
of
of
what
us.
normal. We are mad. Mad is also an understatement, actually.
Don't tell. Mental hospital people come and take us.
True. So we are just going to sign off. This was the completed look of hers, and I hope you guys like this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and share. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and do go follow her also. I'll see you in my next video. I'm going to make her do my makeup, wherein she will be numbering things and
Now your turn.
now
Apna time aayega.
and then she'll be doing her entire makeup for me.
I think me and your husband should do it. One side him, one
I'm
side.
just gonna leave everything over here because if he's gonna come, I don't trust it. I'll see you all in the next video. I love you all. Keep flying kiss.